It is January 2026. The SHOT show floor is being prepped, but the leaks are already out. If you are planning to buy a rifle this year, stop. Put your wallet away. The industry just shifted gears. Ruger quietly executed their best-selling rifle, and Bergara just released a carbon platform that might actually solve the one problem with carbon fiber barrels. Let's cut through the marketing noise and look at the cold, hard numbers.
First up is the heavy hitter. Bergara just announced the premier Cima Pro. Let's look at the specs because they are aggressive. The MSRP is hitting around $2,199. That is expensive, but look at what you are getting. It features their new No. 6 Contour Cure carbon barrel, available in 20 to 24-inch lengths depending on caliber. They claim this new weave solves the thermal drift issues of the past. The biggest selling point is the weight. It tips the scales at just 5.8 pounds naked. That is incredibly light. It uses the premier stainless action and a TriggerTech trigger that breaks clean at a factory-set 2.5 pounds. Essentially, you're getting a $4,000 custom shop feel for $2,200. If that barrel holds zero after a 5-round string, this is the new king of the mountain.
Big news from Ruger. As of January 1st, the legendary AR-556 is effectively dead. Replacing it is the new Ruger Harrier. The price has bumped up slightly. The old AR-556 was a budget gun, but the Harrier has an MSRP of $949. Why the price hike? Because they fixed everything. The Harrier runs a 16-inch cold hammer forged barrel with a 1-in-8 twist rate, perfect for stabilizing heavier 62-grain defensive loads. But the game changer is the gas system. They finally moved to a mid-length gas system. This reduces felt recoil and wear on the parts compared to the snappy carbine length system on the old model. It also comes standard with a 15-inch M-LOK free-float handguard. No more cheap plastic drop-in handguards. For under $1,000, this is a solid duty-grade start.
Next on the radar, Savage Arms is making a play for the utility rifle market with the 110 Magpul Scout. The MSRP is set at $929. For that money, you get a compact 16.5-inch button-rifled barrel with a muzzle brake. The overall length is short, making it very handy for a truck gun. I love the Scout rifle concept. Savage wisely partnered with Magpul to use the Hunter stock, which features an aluminum bedding block. That means consistency. It feeds from AICS pattern magazines, which is non-negotiable in 2026. You get a full-length Picatinny rail for mounting a forward scout scope or a standard red dot. It is a sub-$1,000 solution for a do-it-all survival rifle.
And Savage isn't done. They just declared war on the Ruger 1022 with the RXR22. The price is aggressive with an MSRP of $379. That puts it head-to-head with the standard Ruger carbine. Here's the kicker. It uses a 10-round rotary magazine. Yes, Savage copied the one thing that makes the 1022 great, but they claim to have fixed the maintenance issues. The RXR22 has a user-friendly takedown system for cleaning the bolt from the rear. If this thing feeds cheap bulk ammo reliably, Ruger has a serious problem on their hands.
Finally, Ruger expands the Gen 2 American line with the Prairie Edition. The MSRP is $729. It keeps the Gen 2 3-position safety and the adjustable stock, but adds a gunmetal gray Cerakote finish and a fluted barrel to shave ounces. They're pushing the new .22 ARC cartridge hard with this one. With a 20-inch barrel, the .22 ARC stays supersonic out past 1,000 yards. For a $700 rifle, that is a lot of long-range capability in a factory package. It is a specialized tool for varmint hunters who want speed. So, that's the intel for January 2026. We're seeing a shift towards lighter materials and mid-length gas systems becoming the budget standard. That's a win for us. Bergara is pushing the high end at $2,200, and Ruger is redefining the budget AR at $950. I want to know your call. Is the new Ruger Harrier worth the extra cash over the old AR 5.56, or are you building your own AR? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you at SHOT Show. Stay dangerous.